Welcome to my channel. Today we're diving into the world of ticks. These tiny creatures might seem insignificant, but they have some truly shocking secrets. Hidden amongst the leaves and grasses, they lie in wait, patiently seeking their next unsuspecting meal. Join us as we uncover the truth about these fascinating yet potentially dangerous animals. We'll learn about their incredible life cycles, their surprising abilities, and the impact they have on the world around them. Often mistaken for insects, ticks actually belong to a completely different group within the animal kingdom, the arachnids. That's right, these tiny terrors are more closely related to spiders and scorpions than they are to ants or beetles. Like their eight-legged cousins, ticks possess bodies divided into two main parts, the cephalothorax at the front and the abdomen at the rear. And just like spiders, ticks go through several life stages, from egg to larva to nymph, before finally reaching adulthood. But unlike their web-spinning relatives, ticks are parasites, meaning they rely on other animals known as hosts for their survival. And while spiders use their venomous fangs to subdue their prey, ticks have evolved a different, equally ingenious method for obtaining their meals. Ticks are notorious as vectors of disease, capable of transmitting a variety of illnesses to both humans and animals. Their bite, often painless, can deliver a microscopic package of pathogens directly into the bloodstream of an unsuspecting host. One such disease, Lyme disease, has become increasingly prevalent in recent years, causing a range of debilitating symptoms from fever and fatigue to joint pain and neurological problems. Another serious illness spread by ticks is Rocky Mountain spotted fever, a potentially fatal disease characterized by high fever, headache, and a distinctive rash. These are just two examples of the many diseases that ticks can carry, making them a serious public health concern in many parts of the world. It is crucial to take precautions against tick bites, especially when venturing into areas where ticks are known to thrive. Wearing protective clothing, using insect repellent, and conducting thorough tick checks after spending time outdoors are essential steps in minimizing the risk of tick-borne illnesses. Ticks are incredibly resilient creatures, able to withstand harsh conditions and survive for extended periods without food. Imagine going years without a single meal. That's the reality for these tenacious parasites. Their secret lies in their ability to slow down their metabolism, conserving energy and entering a state of dormancy when conditions are unfavorable. This remarkable adaptation allows ticks to patiently wait for the perfect opportunity to encounter a suitable host, whether it's a deer, a dog, or even a human passing by. They can lie dormant in leaf litter, soil, or vegetation, their internal clocks ticking away until the scent of a potential blood meal triggers them back into action. Their incredible ability to survive without food for extended periods makes them particularly challenging to control, as they can persist in the environment long after their hosts have moved on. The tick's feeding apparatus is a marvel of evolutionary engineering, perfectly adapted for its parasitic lifestyle. Central to this ingenious system is the hypostome, a harpoon-like structure that the tick uses to firmly attach itself to its host. Covered in backward-pointing barbs, the hypostome acts like an anchor, ensuring that the tick remains securely attached while it feeds. Once embedded in the host's skin, the hypostome also serves as a conduit for the tick's saliva, which contains a cocktail of potent chemicals. These chemicals help to prevent blood clotting, suppress the host's immune response, and even act as an anesthetic, masking the pain of the bite. It's a complex and efficient system that allows the tick to feed undetected, often for days at a time. Ticks may be small, but they are remarkably adept at locating their next meal. Equipped with a suite of specialized sensory organs, they can detect the presence of potential hosts from a distance, honing in on telltale cues that signal a nearby source of blood. One of their most important senses is their ability to detect heat. Ticks are particularly sensitive to the body heat emitted by warm-blooded animals, allowing them to sense the presence of a host even in the absence of light. In addition to heat, ticks are also highly attuned to carbon dioxide, the gas that we exhale with every breath. They possess specialized organs called Haller's organs, located on their front legs, which are incredibly sensitive to even the slightest changes in carbon dioxide levels in the air. As a host approaches, the tick detects the subtle increase in carbon dioxide and heat, triggering a behavioral response that sends it questing for its next meal. Thanks for watching. If you found these facts about ticks fascinating, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing content. Stay safe and tick-free. Remember to protect yourself and your loved ones by taking the necessary precautions against tick bites. These small creatures may seem insignificant, but as we've seen, they can have a big impact. By understanding their biology, behavior, and the risks they pose, we can all do our part to stay safe and healthy. So, the next time you're venturing out into the great outdoors, remember the fascinating yet potentially dangerous world of ticks.